everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how we can fix GCash app face scan problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that problem to appear and for that problem to be solved, there are three things that you can make sure of. First thing would be simply going to your app store and checking out whether your app is being updated or not, because if it's not the updated version, sometimes because of the unnecessary laggings that can occur. So make sure if it's updated or not. Go ahead, tap on your app and see if it says open or update. If it simply asks for update, tap on update and you're good to go. Now if that doesn't help either, then you're gonna go ahead, go to settings, and now you're simply gonna go ahead, go to settings. Go ahead, scroll down and then find your particular GCash app from this listing. Once you have found your app, you have to make sure that all of the required permissions are being allowed, including the camera right over here. Once all the permissions are allowed for it to, you can check it out, and if it's denied, make sure you allow all of them and you're good to go. So make sure to check on those settings and you are all good. Hope this video helps you. Simply thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.